I'm going to do a lesson from your science book, Animals, and we are going to talk about common insects. Insects are present all around us in large numbers. Some common insects that are around us are houseflies, ants, beetles, honeybees, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. We find insects indoors and outdoors. Now, let's look into the different parts of the body of an insect. It can be divided into three parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. There are two feelers or antennae on the head. These help it to smell and feel. Insects have a hard outer covering for protection. It is made of a firm substance called chitin. Many insects have wings. Insects have 6 legs. Now, insects go through different stages in their lives. So if we look into the life of a butterfly, we'll get an idea as to what the different stages are. Life cycle of a butterfly. Eggs, then caterpillar or larva, pupa, and then we have the adult butterfly. Now, like us, ants also like to meet friends and be together. So we call them social insects. Some insects live together in groups or colonies. They are called social insects. Example, bees, wasps, ants, and termites. Ants, they are found inside the house and outside the house on open ground. Ant hills are made of soil, sand, or tiny sticks. In a colony, you can find 3 kinds of ants. We have the queen, the female workers, and the males. The queen ant lays eggs. Now, after that, we are going to deal with honeybees because we all love honey. Now, let's look at the bees, what they do. They prefer to live in orchards and gardens where they can suck nectar from flowers. And in an orchard or garden, you know, there'll be plenty of flowering plants. They build hives inside tree cavities or rocks or under the edges of objects. So to stay safe, we have to keep away from them. Humans like to keep bees on farms to obtain honey and wax. This process is called apiculture or beekeeping. Harmful insects. Insects can harm us, many of them, and let's look at them. Some insects that we are going to talk about. Ants, termites, flies, bees, cockroaches, and wasps are troublesome for us. Silverfish destroys clothes. Ants, flies, cockroaches, they spoil food. Termites eat wooden furniture and books are damaged by them. Mosquitoes cause diseases like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya. Lice, they suck blood from the scalp. Bedbugs live in mattresses and they bite us. Bees and wasps' stings are very bad. Germs on the bodies of houseflies and cockroaches settle on our food and make us sick. Now, some remedies and then some preventive measures. Remedies for most insect bites and stings. An ice pack is used to bring relief. Anti-allergy medicines can give relief from itchiness, swelling, and redness of the skin, which is caused by the insect bite. Calamine lotion, it is used for itching relief. Bee stings or wasp stings. Now for bees, paste of baking soda, and for wasps, vinegar and lime. Preventive measures. Now we can always do something to keep ourselves safe. First thing is, keep your surroundings clean, no stagnant water. Wear long-sleeved shirts. Apply insect repellent creams while going out. Be careful of bees and wasps. Do not tease insects. Wasps build homes in dark and quiet places. Be careful, you don't go there. Now, when you're sleeping, you sleep inside a mosquito net for safety. Now, we know so much about insects, and the next time we are going to make sure that when we go out or when we are inside the house, we take the necessary precautions. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.